So now our requirement is with the purchase orders, we need to do the down payments. Okay. So our client requirement is like this business requirement. So before we do all these things, you need to have prior knowledge, right? What is the prior knowledge here? So can we do the down payments without purchase orders? Yes, we can do. And what are the transaction codes that are involved for the vendors? And what are the transaction codes that are involved for the customers? Okay, in sales orders also you have down payments. You know it very well. In the payment processing also we have, taps. So the thing is that before you do this business requirement, before you fulfill this before business requirement and all, what are the precaution steps that you need to follow? Those are down payment request, down payment posting, and down payment clearing. Okay, these are the important things, right? So to create these purchase orders in transaction code ME21N, we are giving one example. You have bought the material for 4 lakh rupees, including GST. Okay, what is the GST here? Input CGST, input SGST. For sales, output CGST, output SGST. Now, on this purchase order, freight charges are applicable. And in this purchase order, freight charges are involved, right? Okay, what is the delivery cost is and all? You need to know very well. Then next one is, so you may have different types of requirements. What is the requirement? If it is a price differences, if it is a freight charges, if it is a freight charges clearings with no differences, if it is a open items with special GL indicators like down payments and all, open items with the what is the thing? Open items with the different types of open item managements and all. You will have all these types of scenarios. But when we are doing all these transactions for vendors as well as the customers, on what basis you will going to attach the down payments? Based on the purchase orders, right? You will going to attach the documents and all. When you're going to attach this document for the particular vendor, you need to follow this scenario. What is the thing? On this purchase orders, we have paid the down payment for vendors. Okay, we have paid the down payments. Everything is clear. But do you know about the requirements of the vendors and all? And in which transaction code we will going to fulfill this requirement? In which tab we will going to fulfill this requirement? On what basis we will going to see the each and everything? On what basis we will going to do the down payment requests and down payment postings? On what basis you will going to clear the input taxes GST, output taxes GST for vendors and customers? Based on which? Based on the payment processings. Then only this scenario will be completed. Okay. So we have paid the down payment for vendors purchase orders. Okay, how? So before we do all these things, you need to have prior knowledge on the down payments paid accounts, down payments, assignments using transaction code OBYR, OBXR. And for vendors, you know it very well, better than me. For down payment request, we use transaction code F-47. For down payment postings, we use transaction code F-48. So then after the rising of the invoices only, okay, without purchase orders, I'm telling, after the rising of the invoices only, one pop-up screen will come into the picture. What is the pop-up screen? So this one of the down payment is existed for the particular vendor. Okay, so before we clearing the down payments, how we can clear the vendors documents and all? Vendor invoices and all. No, right? So that is the important point. But how we can do the down payments? What is the thing? How we can do the down payments and all for the particular vendors? Is it possible with purchase order? Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, write down your business requirement. Write down your business requirement. Yes, write down. Write down your business requirement. Okay. Scenario. Scenario is write down business requirement. Okay. So our scenario is ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది. వితౌట్ వితౌట్ సారీ with purchase orders yeah with purchase orders with purchase order we want to post the we want to post down payments we want to post the down payments we want to post down payments. Then next one is we want to post the our scenario is without sorry with purchase order we want to post the down payment. How we can post it? How we can post it? So in the payment selection tab, yeah, కింద ఒకటి పెట్టేసుకొని how we can post it. How we can how we can how we can post. So with the help of payment processing tab in purchase orders, with the help of payment processing tab, okay, in purchase order, in purchase in purchase we will going to select the we will going to select the we will going to select the manual down payments manual down payments we will going to select the manual down payment and 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 voluntary down payments. Voluntary down payments. See, both are same, but manual down payments means what? I will going to tell you the each and everything. Okay, so voluntary down payments. See, here there are two types of here there are two types of here there are two types of down payments. Here there are two types of down payments. Down payments. Okay. With the help of percentages, in the Rasko, with the help of percentages, with the help of percentages, percentage down payment will be there, right? We can calculate the amount. With the help of percentages down payment, we can calculate the down payment amount. We can calculate the down payment amount. Down payment amount. Down payment amount. Then next step. With the help of down payment amount, with the help of down payment amount, we can directly give the with the help of down payment amount field we can directly give the amount. We can directly give the amount. Can directly give the amount. Okay. We can directly give the amount. Then next one. With the help of down payment amount field, we can directly give the amount. Then with help ME2DP transaction code, ME2DP transaction code is that is purchase order or mandatory down payment. Purchase order mandatory down payment. With the help of transaction code is purchase order mandatory down payment. Okay, we can give whatever the down payment amount that we want to pay. We can give whatever the down payment amount that we want to pay. We can give whatever the down payment amount that we want to pay. that we want to pay. Okay, then next thing. Next one is next one is see, after the execution of all this ME2DP transaction code, after the execution of after the execution of after the execution of transaction code, after the execution of transaction, automatically two options will be come into the picture. Two options will be come into the picture. Automatically, two options will be coming to the picture. Options will be options are coming into the picture. Okay, no issue. What are those pickupping points? What are those pickupping points? First one is down payment request. Down payment request. Down payment request. Second one is down payment clearing. Sorry, down payment, only down payment. That is, we are not going to post the down payment and all. When we have this down payment, automatically when you click on the enter, directly it will take you to the, what is the transaction code, down payment postings, F-48 on. Got the point? Okay, how we can do it automatically? We will going to see the things and all. Okay, all right. So after that, after that, whatever the amounts that we have seen, whatever the amounts that we have seen, whatever the amounts that we have, please cross check with, please cross check with EFBL 1N. Then, then please cross check with EFBL 1N. FB. Okay. Then next one. So please. Then next is post the post the Migo. Post the Migo. Migo means what? Goods receipt, right? Goods receipt. Then post the post the invoice receipt. Post the invoice receipt. The invoice receipt. In the invoice receipt, the system will automatically show you the one pop-up screen that on this purchase order in invoice receipt, the system will automatically the, sorry, pop up the pop up the pop the one screen that is on this purchase order, that is on this purchase order, on this purchase order, um down payments are existed. Purchase orders, down payments are existed, existed or existed. Okay. Then next thing is we can clear this down payments. We can clear this down payments, clear the down payments using transaction code, F-44. Sorry, 54. We can clear the down payments using transaction code F-54. 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 Then after clearing this, we can clear the vendor invoice with the help of electronic bank statement. After after clear the vendor invoice, no, after clearing the down payment, after clearing then after clearing down payment, so we can clear the we can clear the vendor invoice with the help of EBS, electronic bank statement. With the help of the help of with the help of EBS, electronic bank statement. Okay, so can you save this file? ఓకే. నాకు టైమింగ్స్ ఎట్లైనా 11:30 కాబట్టి కంప్లీట్ రేపు ఒక ఓకే. నో వరీస్. సో, దీన్ని ఈ థియరీ పార్ట్‌ని ఒక రికార్డ్ చేస్తాను. కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్